Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to get celebrity lookalike filter on TikTok. So as you can see, we're on the TikTok app. The first step is clicking discover at the bottom left hand corner, that magnifying glass there. Then at the top search, you'll want to click on that, then type in shapeshift. So go ahead and type that in, and you're going to want to click the hashtag, so the hashtag shapeshift, click on that. Then you'll see the red button at the bottom, that circle with a camera in it. Go ahead and click on that. Then what will come up is something that looks like this, where you can either click a picture from your camera roll at the bottom right, or take a video, and also be able to find the effects at the bottom left hand corner too. So from here you'll be able to do the celebrity lookalike effect challenge on TikTok. So leave a like on the video if that did help you out. Subscribe for more videos like this. Click on screen to see my how-to videos on the TikTok app and other videos similar. But that's it for now. I'll see you on the next video.